hour class, and I made a tree and a bird nest. And the bird nest has little robin eggs in it.
My name is Alan Payne, and I created my keychain in 5 minutes. This is my keychain. It's OBJ, Olaf Jr. I created it for this video. I just learned that we.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I made the Easter bunny. Its eggs are right there, and it's got an ear and a floppy ear. And put it on the ground. It's in a little basket. The eggs are in a basket.
Hi guys, my name is Danielle and I made this neon tower. How I made multiple was I click Ctrl, duplicate, Ctrl-D, and I made a bunch of different ones. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Guys, I'm Holden, 6th grade computers, Mr. Harmon's class, and today I made a toilet.
Hi, my name is Ella Sandstead, and this is what I made on Thingiverse. You can't already tell, I made Pinocchio, and I based it off of the Pinocchio from Shrek. I used a scribble to make his hands, and I used a variety of different shapes to make his body and his head. You should really make something like this, because it's so much fun, and you can design it however you want.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Levi, the one who made the plane. So then I saw this diamond thing where it looked weird. It looked really weird actually in first place. And we looked it and we kind of tested it. And when it looks like this, it looks like a diamond, but in the mirror it looks like a circle. It works both ways, like with a circle, it looks like a diamond, see? And it looks really cool, and thank you Mr. Harmon for making this happen, and bye guys.
Hi everyone, it's Gisele here, and I'm going to show you how to make some flowers using the duplicate function. So first you're going to need the scribble tool, and then just draw any shape you like. I recommend starting with a line, and then shrink it down to 1, and then you can change how long it is. And then I'm going to press Ctrl-D to duplicate, and then rotate it, and just hold down Ctrl-D, and then it makes a really cool flower. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and I made this kind of like an artist on vacation.
Everyone, and welcome to another video. I am Mackenzie Morales, and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour, and today I'm going to be showing you this cool elf figure, elf girl that I made. And then I added a little bow to make it look super cool. Bye! Hi guys, and happy Easter. So today I'm going to be showing you this amazing Easter bunny with a basket full of eggs tied for the children.
Alright, so I used the tower thing to make giant robots fighting each other. Made the head out of spheres. See the other guy's face.
Hello friends, I'm on Tinkercad, and today I want to be showing you this awesome house that I made. I know the house I didn't make, but the rest I made. Like these are kind of the chimney. I have a cool pathway right here with like 2 entrances and 2 light poles. See, I made a character with bunny ears, sunglasses, a mustache, ice cream, and he had an egg. I also added in some cool decorations with a satellite and a tree with some trees.
Hello everyone, it's me and Nash again, and today we have made a home run derby, and it's pretty easy to play. The instructions are on the top that you can read later, or you can pause the video and read now. But basically all you do is you come over here and you take one of these balls and you put it on top, and then use the arrow keys to control the bat. And then if Nash can hit it for once in his life.
Wait, no, I didn't swing it. Doesn't count.
Oh my God!
Nash can hit it. Run. Nash.
Wait, I was going the wrong way.
Win the bat, Nash.
We got stuck. I couldn't go, dude.
Oh.
We made a soccer stadium, and you can play soccer with your friends. So yeah, we're to show you what it's all about. So we are the triangles, and the triangles weigh a lot, so they move slowly. But then when you get them going, then they really start to fly. And the goal is to get in the other person's goal just like that.
Hi, it's Gisele here, and I made a catapult using Mr. Harmon's catapult design images. From all of these, I managed to create this little catapult here. As you can see, it's launching an ice cream cone, and there are more that are ready to launch. So this is the base, and these are the rubber bands that hold it down. And this little piece down here, it holds this band to this hook. Thanks, Mr. Harmon, for the idea, and I'll see you next time.
After following Mr. Harmon's amazing city lesson, this is what I built. Trees and a road, and I made these buildings. And there's little Astrobots that are conjoined together.
This is Jadon Ward. This is how you make this look beautiful. You put in this code.
It's Danielle and Sister Reese, and I made this boat ship thing. I got the Rams 5, and I added that to the top of the ship. So if you see it, there's like windows and doors in the middle, and this is below surface. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Are you ready, big girl? Are you ready? Get it, Bailey! Alright! Way to go, big girl!